Okay, let's try this. We have a 05 Ford F150 5.4 with the 3 valve. We have engine noise at startup, timing chains jumping around. Just some little extra tips and how to put it back together. I didn't take any video of taking it apart. That's the easy part. A little bit more challenging putting it back together. Let's see if we can show you the timing marks. Before you take it apart, put it back together, be sure that you have the crank at 12 o'clock to avoid your valves hitting the pistons and bending the valve. Then it's a lot more expensive to fix just a simple repair. So let's see the right side of the engine, show you the timing mark. Right side, the sprocket, we got the 3 points facing the bottom, 2 on the top. And on the left side we got the opposite, we got the 3 points on top, 2 on the bottom. We had broken timing chain tensioners, seals broken, so you're losing oil pressure. That's where some of the noise is coming from. And then we had a broken timing chain guide on the right side. You can see the right side arm is very similar to the left, so I marked it with the part number inside the arm. That's how it should look when you put it back together. This is the left side with the part number. Show you now the broken parts that I found. We have the broken gasket right there. You can see it missing. And this one you can see it a little better. You're losing oil pressure right there, so getting engine noise at 1000 RPMs. These are the broken timing chain guide that I found. Timing chain jumping around. This is the right side arm, slightly different from the left. And this is a part number inside the arm, which could be found somewhere in there. There you go. This is your left side. Part number. Okay, just put this right here. Left side, right side, slightly different. Don't mix them up. Hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching.